Hello friends, this is Harvey Mundan. Welcome to Samsung Web News and a special review of Picsel Smart Office for BADA. The first thing I noticed about Picsel Smart Office was if you just went to a file, for example, let's take this docx file, Microsoft Word, and clicked on it, it opens by default in the Picsel file viewer, not in the Smart Office application. And there doesn't seem to be any way to change that default opening. So in the absence of knowing how to do that, what you have to do is go to the application Smart Office, open that first of all, and from within the application then open the file you want. By default it opens to folders in the phone. So you go up one level and you get the storage card media. Gives you a list of folders, files, gives you the date. I'm not sure whether actually that's the date of creation or date last modified. I haven't checked yet. But it doesn't give you any information about size or anything like that. Nice little icons, Word icon, and that opens fairly fast. And what you have, first of all, you have your usual pinch to zoom, which is fairly accurate. You have a kind of zoom bar there if you rather use that. That's very, very sensitive, and it's a bit difficult to say if you want to fit the page. It's a bit difficult to get exactly right. So anyway, pinch to zoom works fine, so I'm sure you use that. Here is a thumbnail page view. There's only one page in this document, so I'll just show you that. And by pressing this button, you go through a transition and you get actions, which is simply a save, which is blanked out at the moment, a close and a help. And you get a view, which gives you two options: a reflow, which is very good. It hasn't actually reflowed it exactly right. Maybe the zoom was too big. So I would say normally, okay, we have it there. No, that has worked very well, and reflows it to a nice size. This here is rather bizarre. It's a 3D view, and I don't think you'll be able to see anything, but this actually makes the text a kind of double red and blue, and if you're wearing those 3D glasses, you can actually see the text and the picture as well in a 3D kind of view. I'm not sure what use that is to most people. It seems a rather bizarre feature to have on what you will see is quite a simple program. You have a search function there, which obviously allows you to search for words, or I haven't tried with phrases yet, and it will give you this previous, next. It doesn't have search and replace. That has to be done manually. I think I've still got that 3D view, so you won't see anything there. Let's turn that 3D view off. Okay. And they're just the options, just those. There's no create a new file. You can't create a new document. Very, very, very basic options. Talking about text formatting, you can just tap once and that will insert a cursor, the red cursor there, or if you double tap, it will give you a box which you can drag And that's very easy to drag that box there. A problem occurs if I change the view and out of reflow, just the normal view. The problem occurs when, for example, I want to copy this whole line. I grab a handle. It doesn't have any auto scroll of the screen, so I have to stop, manually scroll across, grab the handle again, and then continue to the word that I want to, the sentence I want to grab. Of course, if you zoom out, you can grab a whole line, but still it's pretty inconvenient. Once you've highlighted some text, you can do various things with format text. You can change the colour of the text, and this will all change, and you can see it as you do it, which I like having that. In some programs I've seen the format options come up and cover the screen, so you can't actually see the text you're formatting. The list will give you bullet points, and font here is a very nice way of doing this font. You can see if let's highlight something else here. Okay, and the font is actually called AR Darling. It's from the PC, and it doesn't have it in the program, so it's come out as another font, but it has noted that's what it is. At the bottom here you have this cute little kind of roller panel, which gives you the most common fonts. You've got Arial Black, Calibri, Comic, Sans MS, and as you can see, it changes the text to the font, so you can see that as you're actually editing, and that's really a good feature, I think. And same also with the size of the text. You just roll it, and it will show you the changes. So that's good. That's well implemented. And of course, you have the usual formatting: bold, underline, italic, and alignment as well. Editing the text basically just gives you a small text box, and what is strange about this is there's no return key. The return key is greyed out, it doesn't function, so you can't write a sentence and then start a new paragraph or anything like that, which makes what you can do really, really limited. Here you have just cut function and scrapbook. Again, this is quite a bizarre implementation because cut will obviously just cut the word, and you can just paste it back in there, or you can take that and drag it to the scrapbook, which will just do exactly the same thing. It will cut the word. It appears here in a rather cute little image in the scrapbook, and the date, Thursday the 12th of January 2005, which is not very helpful. And it seems a strange way to implement a kind of cut and paste function. There's no copy. So they're the basic formatting functions. One thing that is lacking is no undo. So if you cut some text, place it somewhere, which is very difficult to do, you can't undo it. Basically, you have to take it out again, and I'll move on to, in the next video, I'll show you the Excel files and also PowerPoint and PDF.